Kilala niyo ba si Ruby Cassidy? Isa siyang Pinoy na naging matagumpay, hindi lang sa abroad, pati dito mismo sa ating bansa. Kung hindi niyo siya kilala, panoorin niyo to.
Nung nasa States ako, nakapag-produce ako ng isang album, which is The Mystic Dancer. Tapos pangalawa naman yung I'll Bring You Back to Life. So pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, I was in the process of looking for a manager. Nagkataon na in-approach ko si Jojo Veloso at that time.
May mystic charm daw, kaya naging mystica. Ano-ano naman kaya ang kwento niya?
Of course, I was there as a singer. Pero bago ko kasi na-achieve yung being a singer that time, kasi mahirap din pala talagang maghanap ng ganung lalo na once na you are a foreigner, na hindi talaga taga ron. So, ang ginawa ko, nagbenta ako ng mga encyclopedia. Nag-deliver ako ng dyaryo. I did that. Yeah, tapos, since na yung husband ko naman at that time, he owned 5 restaurants. So, naging host ako sa kanyang and then later on, nag-waitress din ako. Sabi ko, bakit hindi?
Bilang isang Asian, hindi rin nakaligtas si Mystica sa mga mapanuring kultura ng bansang pinili niyang maging sentro ng kanyang sining.
Yeah, I took the chance, I took the opportunity to go out there para ipagpatuloy yung aking ambition to be a recording artist. Kaya intrinay ko nga. And that was the reason na pumunta ako sa Hollywood para i-ano yung Hollywood dream ko. Dahil sabi ko, who knows that, one day I can be another, yung mga nanggagaling sa ibang bansa. And then, pero first of all, ang na-realize ko, yung prejudice. Masyado silang prejudice.
Hindi rin naging madali ang pagtanggap sa kanya ng kanyang pamilya.
There were times na nababasa daw yung mga classmates niya o kaya mga teachers niya na, si Mystica ganito, pa nag-perform malaswa, tapos ganito, ganyan, bakit ganitong piniling, ganyan. So, of course, my son wasn't in a state of mind na i-accept yung ganong mga intriga. So, I came to a point and I said, okay, you have to be mature. Plus my family, you have to be mature. You were the first reason why I came back here in the first place. Dahil kung sarili ko ang iniintindi ko, madali lang magpayaman at wala akong obligasyon. I don't have to think of my responsibility to my family, kundi sarili ko lang.
I can feel it.